Are you interested in pursuing a career in real estate brokerage? The first step is obtaining a real estate broker's license. This video will provide a brief review of the requirements to obtain a broker's license in North Carolina. For a more detailed explanation, you can refer to the North Carolina Real Estate Commission's Real Estate Licensing in North Carolina booklet, which provides a step-by-step review of the application and licensing process. The entire booklet is available on the Commission's website, www.ncrec.gov, under the Licensing tab. To be licensed as a real estate broker in North Carolina, you must 1. Be at least 18 years old. 2. Be a U.S. citizen, a non-citizen national, or a qualified alien under federal law. Let me explain a little further. A qualified alien is someone with a green card or U.S. permanent resident card. Work authorization for most other aliens, including DACA, requires a U.S. immigration visa and/or an employment authorization document from the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service that permits work in the real estate brokerage field. A visitor visa is not sufficient. And 3. Have a social security number. If you meet those basic criteria, the licensing process consists of 4 steps. 1. Successfully complete the broker pre-licensing course. 2. File a complete license application. 3. Pass the license examination. 4. Satisfy the Commission that you possess the requisite character for licensure. Let me explain each of those steps in more detail. Step 1. Complete the North Carolina Broker Pre-Licensing course. This course consists of at least 75 hours of instruction and must be taken through a Commission-certified education provider. Completion of the course includes passing a proctored end-of-course examination. You may find a list of certified education providers on the Commission's website by clicking on the Education tab. The course is offered via various delivery modes such as in-person, synchronous online, and self-paced distance formats. People often ask us, do I have to take the course? Generally, yes. However, there are limited exceptions. For details, please refer to Education Qualification Options in the Real Estate Licensing in North Carolina booklet. Step 2. File a complete license application. To access the online application on the Commission's website, www.ncrec.gov, click on the Licensing tab and select Apply for a Broker License, or scroll to the bottom of the homepage and click Apply Here under Apply for a License. In addition to providing the information regarding your residence and employment history, you must submit a criminal record report with your license application and disclose all criminal offenses, military court-martials, judgments, liens, disciplinary actions by any licensing agency, and similar matters. Also, if you have held a real estate license in another jurisdiction within the previous 5 years, you must submit an official certification of licensure from that jurisdiction. A detailed explanation of the information and documentation that must be submitted with your application is provided in the Real Estate Licensing in North Carolina booklet. Once your application has been processed by Commission staff, you will be sent a 180-day notice of examination eligibility. Use this notice to schedule your examination with the Commission's testing service. Step 3. Pass the license examination. You will take your exam on a computer at an approved test center location. Remote online testing is not allowed. You will receive your results immediately upon completion of your exam. The license exam has 2 sections that are timed and scored separately: a national section and a state section. Most applicants must pass both sections. In order to qualify for licensure, a candidate must pass all required exam sections within the same 180-day exam eligibility period. If a candidate fails an exam, Commission rules require a 10-day waiting period between testing attempts. A candidate can reapply and pay to retake any failed exam sections, as long as there are at least 10 days left in the current exam eligibility period. However, if you are currently licensed in another state or jurisdiction, and your license has been on active status within the previous 3 years, you may only need to pass the North Carolina state section. Step 4. Satisfy the Commission that you possess the requisite character for licensure. Once you pass the license exam, the Commission will review your criminal record report and other character-related disclosures to determine whether you possess the character and general fitness necessary for licensing. If you are found to have the requisite good character, you will be issued a license. We suggest that you also watch these videos. Basic info about the North Carolina license examination, scheduling an exam with Pearson VUE, and a tour of a Pearson VUE Test Center.